Hey guys, welcome to the Daily Devo. I'm Brent, and today we're going to discuss the how-tos of working with people. I recently came across a book entitled Help, I Work with People. The reality is that working with people, being in a community with people, being on a team with people, it can sometimes be challenging. However, I believe that as Christians, it's our responsibility to remain unified as we work together to build up the kingdom of God, both in the local church and around the globe. Now, the question is how do we do this? In Ephesians chapter 4, verses 2 through 3, Paul writes to the church at Ephesus, and here's what he says. He says, always be humble and gentle. Be patient with each other, making allowances for each other's faults because of your love. Make every effort to keep yourselves united in the Spirit, binding yourselves together with peace. Paul gives you and I the how-tos of working with people. And there are 4 simple how-tos. Number 1, be humble. Don't be arrogant or cocky or prideful. This is a recipe for disaster in relationships. It will without fail cause disunity on your team or family if you give off the impression that you think you're better than everyone else. Number 2, be gentle. In my experience with working with people, there are times when strong correction is necessary. However, when you and I take the time to understand the why a person may have said what they've said, or responded how they've responded, or made a decision that you disagree with, our approach to correction can shift and be gentle instead of forceful. Number 3, be patient. The truth of the matter is that people are going to make mistakes, but so will you. So extend to them the same grace and mercy that you would want extended to you. And lastly, number 4, Paul encourages us to make every effort to stay united. One of my favorite movies of all time is a movie called Soul Food. And there's a scene in Soul Food where the family is gathered for dinner and they're having an argument. Now, the matriarch of the family, who's affectionately called Big Mama, looks at everyone around the table. She takes her hand and says, "One finger pointing the blame makes no impact. But you can ball up all of those fingers into a fist and you can strike a mighty blow. And this family has to be that fist." Y'all, from the sentiments of Big Mama, the church has to be the fist in the kingdom that stays unified to make a major impact in the kingdom. So let's do it humbly, gently, patiently, and most importantly, let's do it together.